Did you know why Pakistan was in the news recently? Well, it wasn't because of any conflict with India or a cricket match. It was because their students have stood out by securing the maximum number of scholarships for the last 3 consecutive years. Do you know why? Because students, even with low grades, applied for it. There were no age restrictions, no prior work experience needed, no GRE required, and students in their final year of undergraduate studies were also eligible to apply. But that wasn't the real motivation to apply. The real motivation was the benefits. A monthly stipend of 1400 euros, travel tickets were included, the opportunity to study in 3 to 4 countries, health insurance, and many more. Yes, the application is now open for this prestigious scholarship, which is Erasmus Mundus scholarship, which even you can apply. So yes, this scholarship, which is Erasmus Mundus scholarship, is open, which is fully funded, and you guys should start applying now, or at least start preparing for it. So if you're interested to study for free, make sure you keep watching the video till the end. But before we dive in, let me introduce myself to those who are new here. My name is Sarika, and I have been living in the UK for the past 14 years. Currently, I work as a lead business analyst for one of the world's largest tour operators. In my spare time, I create YouTube videos to help you navigate the global job market and find the perfect study abroad destination. I offer 2 valuable services that I encourage you to take advantage of. The first is free study abroad assistance service. If you're interested in studying abroad in any of these listed countries, please fill out the form provided in the video description and pin comment. My team will reach out to you to assist you with your study abroad plans. And the second service is paid job assistance service. This is a 3-month coaching and mentoring program designed to make you job ready. It's perfect for those struggling to find a job or secure a visa sponsorship in the UK, Ireland, Germany, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. If you're serious about your career and want to land your dream job, enroll in this service. Remember, it requires a 3-month commitment and hard work where both you and I will be working together to make you job ready. I've also hired mentors who have successfully landed visa sponsorship jobs with the right strategy, and they're planning to help you guys as well. It's also for people who want to start their career in IT and also start their career as a business analyst, where I will be your mentor. If you need a help, fill out the form in the description and my pinned comment, or simply email me at yourknowledgebuddy@gmail.com. Let's make you job ready soon. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. This scholarship is funded by European Commission, where you will get an opportunity to work in different countries. For example, your first semester can be in Austria, second can be in Belgium, third can be in Italy. So you can study different semesters in different country. And of course, you're also allowed to work part-time. You can do internship. And also after your studies, you can also work in those countries. The number of scholarships which is allocated for 2025 is 5,000, which is massive. And like I said in my introduction, this is a fully funded scholarship. This is for master's program, which is 2 years. Now the applications are open now for around 192 courses as of today. And the deadline, it varies from the course to course and university to university. However, for most of the courses, it is around Feb or March time, which is 2025. So make sure you check the deadline for the course you are applying. Now, one point which I want to let you guys know, previously, you were restricted to apply only for 3 courses. But now the restriction is removed. If you think you want to apply for more than 3 courses, you can. But remember, it's better to apply only the courses which you think you are eligible and it closely aligns with your skills, rather than applying for so many courses. Now, why you should apply? First of all, there's no GRE required. You don't need to contact the professors beforehand. No work experience is necessary. If you don't have a work experience, if you're a fresher, that's totally fine. You can still apply for it. There's no age restriction. Doesn't really matter whether your age is in 30s, 40s. If you think you are eligible for the scholarship, you should apply. Now, even students with a low academic score had been granted scholarship before. So make sure you apply irrespective of whatever was your score. In fact, students who are in their last year of undergraduation, like say your bachelor's 4th semester, you can definitely apply. Now, we already know from last 3 years, Pakistani students had been doing a commendable job. So guys, make sure you take that inspiration, irrespective of wherever you guys are watching my video from. You guys should definitely try for this Erasmus Mundus scholarship, which is fully funded. And like I said in my benefits earlier, that you will get opportunity to study in 3 different countries each semester in 3 different countries. And you are allowed to do your part-time jobs, and anyone from any part of the world can apply for this opportunity. Now, in terms of financial coverage, this is fully funded. It means you don't have to pay even a single penny from your pocket. In fact, you will be paid if you get successful in the scholarship. When I say you'll be paid, it means you will be given a monthly stipend, like a monthly income, so that you can pay for your rent, your food, and other beds. So as of today, they have mentioned they will be paying you around 1400 euros per month, which roughly equates to, in Indian rupees, say 1,30,000 rupees, I believe. So depends on the exchange rate. And the tuition fee is completely free, which means you don't have to pay anything. Your travel allowance is covered. It means, say if you are traveling from India to France, your flight tickets are included, your visa cost is included. And once you switch country from semester to semester, your travel allowance from one country to other country will also be included. And there's no bond for you to go back to the country. Like in most of the scholarships, they expect you to go back to your country and serve your country if you're granted scholarship. But if you happen to find a job after the end of your scholarship, you can stay back and work there. And health insurance is also covered, which is pretty expensive in Europe. In terms of eligibility criteria, remember, you need to have at least 16 years of education, then only you can apply. This is the minimum criteria. So even people who are in their last year of their bachelor's can apply. Now, there's no clear evidence whether you need an English language or not, but remember, read the university or the course details page, eligibility criteria. In some of the courses and universities I have seen, they have mentioned on an average they need 6.5 bands in IELTS, or even some of the university, they do accept Duolingo English test proficiency. So as long as you have those scores ready, you can apply for this. There's no experience required. If you're a fresher, you can apply for this scholarship. And this is open to any citizen from any part of the world. In terms of available fields for study, this is open to so many fields like engineering, computer science, business, economics, law, humanities, social science, health and sports. And I'll show you a demo in a bit. Now, in terms of documents that you require, again, on a high level, this is what you will see from all the university pages. The first document is your birth certificate to show the evidence of your age. You need your passport to show the evidence of your identity, your bachelor certificate, your grades transcription, CV. I have created, I think, couple of months or years ago about the Europass CV. You can check that video and make sure your CV is in Europass. This is very important. Motivation letter. Now, remember, if you're applying for more than one course, then you should be using multiple motivation. Don't use the same motivation letter for all. Depending on the course, read the course details again and again to make sure you tailor your motivation letter based on the course you are applying for. And try to get 2 recommendation letter if possible. If you are a student, ask your university professors to do that. And if you're a working professional, ask your managers or some seniors to write some recommendation letter for you. Now, for few courses, like I said, you may also have to submit your IELTS score, which is 6.5. Now, this is just a screenshot. I'm going to show you a demo. This is the link where you can read about the scholarships, everything that I've talked about, and this is where you can apply. So let me quickly take you to the demo screen. So this is the official website of Erasmus Mundus, which is erasmus-plus.ec.europe.eu. I'll provide a link in the description so that you can check. Here it is. Erasmus Mundus joint master's scholarships, who can apply and what is included. Here you can see master's duration 1 to 2 years, type of degree you will be getting, and here is what you should be looking for. Search the course catalog. So let's get straight to it. The moment you click on that link, you will be landing here. So just scroll down at the bottom of the page. Here you can see different keywords, country you can select, duration, universities. This country is basically, if you want to select a particular country where you want to study, you can also select from here, but I will say just skip this. What you should focus is on the field of study. If you're interested, for example, if you are interested in arts, chemistry, education, geo, history, IT, medicine, law, there's so many, like I said, physics, psychology, you see there are 19 fields for you to select. At the moment, I have not selected any of the filter, and as of today, I can see there are 192 courses which I can select. So let's take a very quick demo on how you can apply. So remember, if you want to apply, you will have to click the first link. The first link takes you to the scholarship page. Here, let's say you are interested in this one, Masters in Georesource Engineering. I'm going to just click this on the first link and let's see. So the moment you click the first link, you will be seeing a page like this, which is about the scholarship which they are providing. Here you can see details about it. If you scroll down, and here you see Emerald Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters Program. So click here, and once you click here, you can see the details. Of course, make sure you read the whole details in your free time. You will have to go and click on apply, and these are the details which are provided. And of course, make sure you create your profile here, and then you'll be prompted to enter your details and everything which I had mentioned in my demo in terms of what documents you needed. Here you can see which are the additional documents they have requested you. So these are on a high level very similar to what I had already covered, but make sure you read the details for each of the scholarship in this universities and the courses. So let's look at another example. So I'll just type here public. So Erasmus Mundus Master's Program in Public Policy, and let me click the first link. Link will take you to the scholarship. Good thing here is, the moment you are on this page here, you have option about apply now, and then of course you can read the details about it here, and at the bottom you can see what are the other details they had mentioned in terms of the design path. So let's quickly go here, apply now. Here you can read the details in terms of when applications are open and what you need to do. I've just clicked on apply here. If you're a new user, you will be prompted to create your profile, and if you have already your credentials created, you can log in with your details and you will have to submit all your documents, and then of course the list of documents will be mentioned. So that's all about the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. I hope this demo was useful. If you guys got any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can also book my meeting one-to-one if you require any help in writing motivation letter or the template, SOP, anything. Just make sure you book my meeting and we can work together with you. All the best to everyone who's applying for the scholarships, and I am going to see you guys soon with my next video. Also make sure you comment which scholarship do you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.